Alright, so we're going to do a quick room tour and then we're going to go eat. I just wanted to give everybody a little room so you can see. So what's really cool is that they actually put in our room, because I knew we had an infant, a diaper pail. Very cool, so we don't have to smell stinky diapers. And then also pack and play, we did request that. So this is about queen size bed. This is going to be Eliana's bed. They actually will change it at night for her. And then we requested what's it called? So she doesn't fall. I forget what it's called. And it also has room, it looks like, for if we had another child. Munchkin was with us. They would pull this down for a bunk bed because they do also have the ladder here. But there's separation. You get all like the little chargers and everything. TV, storage spaces going on all over. What's really cool is I can't pull it out because I have, as you can see, I have Harrison with me, but this is actually a really cool like little table with more storage. The balcony, because I always want to see this first. Really good little view. 2 chairs are out there, and we're gonna have housekeeping like put this down so that way, since we have 2 combined rooms, we can share the balcony together. Let's come back over here. It's a little bit more space. What I love that Disney does is they raise the beds high enough. Oh, there it is. Okay. So she doesn't fall. High enough for your luggage to go underneath there. That's really nice. So that way you're not having luggage take up your whole closet. And we have, Harrison was slamming the closet on Eliana. So really good storage. You know, good hangers. If you want more, you probably just need to bring them. But, and again, this is so Disney. You have 2 bathrooms. So that way you have a half bathroom here. Somebody can be getting ready, most likely me. In the morning, I don't see any outlets, so that's the only thing I'm curious about. AKA curling iron, stuff like that. That's okay. I can do my hair, I guess, out there. And then also, here is the bathroom with the bathtub. Oh, wow. Okay. So that's actually a little bit more impressive than what I thought. I didn't think the bathtub would be that big. So, good size. Not good enough for, like, me to take a bath if I wanted to, but good for, like, the two kids at least, where they could be doing that. Let's see what that noise was, because Daddy is supposed to be watching the child. All right, Eliana, come out here. You're not supposed to be out there without an adult.
Come on this way, Papa.
So this is us. We are sharing. We have 2 rooms connected. So in case you're wondering what it would be like, you can see. You see all the decoration though? How Disney kind of like does that. Like they put the maps on there. Very cool. And then Papa's room is the same thing, just opposite layout, if you will. So we don't have the lights on right now just because it's sunny enough, but we have a credit card for that. But very cool, very nice. Good space for our toddler, our baby, to crawl around. Just enough. I think if you were here with 4 adults, you'd be squished for like a room size like this. But for us, we are good to go. All right.
So one of the easiest and fun ways to recognize where your door is, because they all look the same, is to put things on the outside. So Marissa got these from Etsy. If you can see, so there's a Princess Leia one, and then she got us a Star Wars one, so a Luke Skywalker one, or a Jedi, whichever one you want. But so Luke and Leia. So anyway, so the boys are usually in one room, the girls in the other room, so we're going to go outside and put them on. All right, so we're going to make the Jedi here. Oh, I dropped it. We'll give him the lightsaber right there. Oh, he keeps falling off. Okay. There you go. So now we get lost. We just look for the Jedi.